Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako panoorin at mag-react sa dalawang babae na talaga nga naman nag-akita ng kanilang aking galing pagdating sa awitan. Pero bago natin simulan ng reaction na ito, kung hilig ninyo ang ganitong mga content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Kaya naman, simulan na natin ito in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Oh, galing.
So bring it home to you. You told me that you love me if I never change. Welcome into your arms again.
Ganda ng blending nila.
Come on in out of the rain. There's a place your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring me when you call my name. Come on out of the rain.
Hindi na nila kailangan ng mic, no? Ang galing na. Pareho silang magaling talaga, no? Ganda rin nila. Love it.
Come on and out of the rain. Hey, hey, someplace your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring when you call my name. Come on and out of the rain.
Ayan ang mataas na mataas na.
Some people spend a lifetime looking for love.
Kulot na kulot. Perfect.